Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna finally start planting our garden after waiting seems like forever. So we have quite a few selection of veggies here I'll go through, but I just got done tilling up the whole garden. So now we're getting it ready to go. All right, so here's some of my tools. We got the original garden rake, and then I have two different hoes. The flat, I don't know what exactly they're called, but that's like the flat one. And I call this like the spade hoe, I guess, 'cause it looks like a spade. That's for doing your trenches and stuff. Works out nice. And then obviously, the big one here, I have my tiller. So it's 1970s Troy-Bilt horse tiller, 7 horsepower with the Kohler engine. And they are old, but they work forever. And you can still buy parts to rebuild them and stuff. So if you can ever get a good deal on one of these, they work really nice in the garden. And as you can see, it really does a good job on the dirt. It makes it like play sand, if like it's loosens it up real nice, chops it up. So I like to do that. And before that, like sometimes I'll put mulch down and leaves, whatever, and I'll till that into the dirt to help enrichen the soil even more. We're gonna start to do some rows. I already have garlic growing over here. I had some more, but I don't really need any because I got plenty of garlic, and that to me is the easiest thing you can ever grow, at least in my area. And so I already got some lettuce started here. We got some potatoes started down in that one, and my asparagus. All right, so here's some of our plants. We got some lunchbox sweet bell peppers, some gherkins, same lunch bell peppers. We have multiple different kinds of tomato plants that I'm going to try this year. Big beef, these are brandywine, and I know I got some cherry ones. This is another big beef. Sweet cherry, and over here I think is my last one, Better Boy. So from what I looked up, a lot of these are, some of them are good for sauce, soups, or slicing for like a sandwich. So then I also got a different kind of cucumber. Never tried these kind before. I'm gonna try those out. And this is my favorite cabbage to get, is the flat Dutch. They get really nice heads on them. And I'll make sauerkraut at the end of the year with those. Of course, you gotta get some Brussels sprouts. I love them. Throw them on the grill, saute them, they're awesome. Got some jalapenos, you know, for whenever you wanna make some cucumber jalapeno margaritas on the summertime. Other cucumbers we have. And then I got some sweet potatoes. These are a different kind that I tried before. So I'm gonna see how they do. And I got some celery, because the kids love to eat celery and carrots with some dip. So we're gonna get these laid out. I gotta figure out how I wanna do these. And this year, I'm gonna try something different, because I always get behind and the weeds take over. So I finally bought some plastic. It's biodegradable. I'm gonna lay it down in rows and plant my stuff into there, and then I don't gotta deal with weeds. And eventually I'm gonna try to get an irrigation set up. Make sure you like and subscribe to make sure you don't miss that video. I'm gonna try to install it. I have ICB totes hooked up to my spouting, collecting the rainwater, and I'm gonna try to use that as my watering system for the garden. So this is my other tool. It's just a little cordless. It's called Max Lander. Has the 20-volt battery on it. I really like this for, like, if you got a close rows in your garden like me. That's too small for my big tiller, so I can run this in between the row and knock the weeds out. So this works pretty good when you already had a garden previously tilled up. I mean, it'll work in fresh dirt, but it takes some work. So it works nice if you just want to maintain your garden with weeds and just tilling up a small area. All right, so this is the first time I ever tried this plastic. It's already kind of annoying because they just shipped it and this is what it is. It's not in a roll. So I got to undo this. So I really don't think I have enough after looking at this. Just keep unrolling it. Tuck it up here, up against my lettuce. We gotta start it here.
We still have a lot.
Yeah. So yeah, what I wanted to do was, and I forgot to, I wanted to throw chicken manure on the row first before we covered it up. That way it already starts fertilizing the ground and the plants and making the plants grow. Our brandywine, I'm gonna plant our cherry tomatoes here. And I think I'm just gonna put them pretty close together because they usually do all right. So we'll just cut a little hole in here, like so. And then I like to just pinch off these bottom branches, and I'll dig these pretty deep because that's what you want, so they get some deep roots.
I want to help you.
Okay, you can help too. So we got celery planted, Brussels sprouts, cabbage, all of our tomato plants up through here. I got lettuce all through there. We have our pepper plants, a couple more pepper plants. I have my gherkins, and I put all my sweet potatoes in here with some cucumbers. And I still have 4 cucumbers left, but I ran out of plastic. So once that comes, then I'll put it on the other side, and I have green beans and stuff that I have trying to start at the moment. So if I get them going, then I'm gonna plant them in a row, a couple rows over here. So I actually like that. It works really nice. I feel like I can get more plants in a row. The next stuff I ordered, I think but I do like that where I can put 2 pretty much right next to each other. Now your sweet potato plants and stuff, they vine out, so we'll see how that all works out. Like I said, this is my first year trying this method, so we'll see how it works. I already had my lettuce in, but next time I'll put a row of this and then plant where I want to put my lettuce in. I mean, this should definitely keep the weeds out better than what it was. So, it's a beautiful day, a beautiful night, nice sunset out here. Have a good night. See ya. Make sure you like and subscribe so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.